Look, the dessert is selected first and then a quotation is given. Sir, I don't think we'll be able to fulfill the requirement. We won't be able to handle such a big order.
Grandfather, has he ever taken any interest in the business that he is talking like this? We don't run a small business.
Mithai, please don't speak if you don't know. You won't be able to handle such a big order. I know that.
Why not? Why can't we handle it, grandfather? We'll make new varieties of sweets. How can we let go of such a big honor? After all, uncle has expectations.
I agree with Mithai. Shom, what's wrong? Why aren't you speaking a word? You should also show the same kind of confidence as Mithai.
Got it. Let me hear first. I'm not like Mithai, who will accept any offer without being sure.
Why are you saying so, Brother Som? Before their company backed the big deal, were they sure that they could get such a big project? They'll also learn as they progress. Uncle, please tell me, am I wrong?
Mithai is absolutely right. Grandpa, please don't refuse.
Absolutely, absolutely. I totally agree. Mithai is with us. She'll handle everything. Don't you remember what happened during the festival?
Absolutely right. Som, we can't run a business unless we take a risk. We have to take this risk. Mr. Ghosh, share all the details with Som. Som, take note of everything. How will a business prosper if you don't take risks? Come to my room, we'll discuss everything there. Som, come with me. Come on, let's go. Mr. Ghosh, please come.
We are getting one good news after another today.
Shri. Shri. Are you okay? You sit here, I'll get the stool for you.
Rajiv, I see somebody is taking good care of her.
Mom,
Hmm?
you know what? Rajiv brags a lot.
Hmm.
But if anything happens to me, he isn't half caring like Ratul.
Look, Mom, darling, your daughter is so jealous. She's jealous that her brother-in-law is taking care of
What?
his wife.
Oof, they are at it again.
Slowly, slowly. Okay.
Well, Aunt, I'm going upstairs. I have to send some mails. Aunt, explain one thing to your genius clearly. She shouldn't let anyone down. This concerns my workplace, Aunt. TCG is hosting a big event for the first time in Kolkata. It won't be easy.
Mithai, don't panic, okay? Everything will be fine. Wouldn't it be? Good. Brother, let's go to the terrace.
What? Terrace?
That's really a good idea. But then, how will Shri go? And I'm also making food.
Aunt Opa, don't worry. Listen to me. I'll check the biryani, go to the terrace, I'll get coffee for you, okay? And I will sit here and chat with Sister Shri. We haven't spoken for a long time.
Good idea. Sit and chat here. Nanda, Rajiv, let's go. Come on.
Come, come. Hey, Nipa, Sandy, where are you?
Sister Shri? Well, brother-in-law Ratul is taking good care of you. Hey, please tell me what brother-in-law Ratul tells you. We saw how today he found you and carried you home in his arms. Didn't you like it?
I can't share this with anyone, Mithai. I'll share this only with you. This marriage is a pretense. Ratul has decided to spend his life alone. He's waiting for a job opportunity from abroad. He'll go abroad as soon as he gets an offer so that nobody feels bad. You know, our marriage is a pretense, Mithai. Nobody knows the truth and we don't want to inform anybody. I hope you won't share this with anyone. You know, sometimes I feel very suffocated. I feel I would have been relieved if I could unite Nipa and Ratul. Hey, Mithai, will you help me, please? If I can bring Ratul and Nipa together, then I will be really very happy. Because Ratul is such a nice guy. He just wanted to live happily with his family. But because of our marriage, he's not able to do it.
Sister Shri, what are you saying all this? Does Brother Ratul know what's there in your heart?
No. He doesn't know. He'll get angry if he finds out. Because Ratul respects the institution of marriage. So, he doesn't want to remarry in the future. He says that he's not destined to be married, so he will spend his life alone. How can I let this happen? Ratul wanted to spend his life with Nipa and with his own family, Mithai. Then why should he live alone? Why should Ratul suffer for Nipa's mistake? Tell me, Mithai.
Sister Shri, enough of this discussion. We'll not discuss this. Please, now you go and lie down in one of the rooms downstairs. You will feel relaxed. I will call Brother Ratul and tell him to take medicine to your room. You don't have to worry about these things. I'll go and make coffee for everybody. Sister Nanda, brother-in-law Rajiv, where are all of you?
Here you are. Mithai is here with what we wanted.
Mithai? Oh, why do you look so disturbed? What has happened?
Sister Nanda, where is Sister Nipa? Is she on the terrace? She won't come here. I mean, I actually want to discuss something.
Mithai, where's my coffee?
Oh my, you didn't ask for coffee.
What do you mean? Do I have to repeat the same thing again and again?
Wow. Look at this and learn something. The husband didn't say anything, but his coffee is ready. His wife brought coffee for him. Really, I must say that you're lucky to have a wife like her.
Rajiv,
Yes?
am I the only person for leg pulling these days?
Siddharth, why are you getting angry? It's just for fun. You were so different earlier. You have changed after Mithai came into your life.
It's a wrong statement, Rajiv. It's not me, but all of you have changed after Mithai has come here. Earlier, you all remained serious, but she has changed everybody now. Enough. No need to speak a word. I know very well what you want to say. Anyway, you wanted to talk about something. Carry on. I'm going downstairs. Mithai, why do you always touch my laptop charger despite warning you so many times?
You would always leave the charger downstairs. I always kept it in Sister Shree's room. You shout a lot if I touch it, so I keep it downstairs. Why do you always blame me for everything?
I'll explain some basic things to you. I'll keep my laptop in my room, so the laptop charger will also be in my room. Okay? She has no common sense, but she feels insulted when I call her silly. Nonsense.
Sister Nanda, did you see? Did you see how your brother behaved? Insult!
We can see everything, Mithai. I mean, these kinds of fights and arguments take place between Rajiv and me.
Haha. You know what? Your Lord is doing an excellent job. We don't have to wait for a month because Siddharth will come and say that marriage is the best decision in life. He may even become the president of the marriage counseling committee. Forget it. Mithai, you wanted to say something which Nipa shouldn't hear. Come on, let's go to Sri's room and talk. Come.
No. Brother Raju, please stop. Brother Ratul or Sister Nipa might come to that room. Let's go to Sid's room.
What? In that room? Oh yes. That's Mithai's room now. Nanda, let's go to Mithai's room and talk. Come, Mithai, come.
Brother Rajiv. Sister Shri and Brother Ratul are acting before us. Sister Shri wants to get Brother Ratul and Sister Nipa married.
What?
So I couldn't stop myself from sharing this with you. What shall we do now?
What nonsense are you talking?
Who told you about this?
Sister Shri told me. She told me to help her so that Brother Ratul and Sister Nipa come together.
What? What did Shri say?
No. I think we are making a mistake. Ratul was taking such a good care of Shri today. Hey, Mithai. I hope you didn't make a mistake.
No, Sister Nanda, I'm not making a mistake. Brother Ratul plans to take up a job in a foreign country. He wants to spend his life there alone. Sister Shri is not able to accept it, and so she wants Sister Nipa and Brother Ratul to get married so that Brother Ratul's life isn't ruined.
Nanda, didn't I tell you that Sri and Ratul had sorted their differences too soon?
Now what? Rajiv, you call both of them. Talk to them directly. And marriage isn't a child's game.
Can I say something, Brother Rajiv? Calling Sister Shri and Brother Ratul here won't help. Sister Shri will misunderstand me. When Brother Ratul finds out, he'll misunderstand Sister Shri. They both have made this plan so that nobody is hurt. But believe me, Brother Ratul and Sister Shri are a perfect couple. Didn't you see how they help each other? They don't understand. The bond of marriage can't be broken so easily. The marriage that God has planned cannot be broken so easily.
Really, Mithai? So you believe this, right?
Yes, I do. But those who doesn't believe in the marriage won't understand what I mean. Brother Rajiv, we must try and make Sister Shri and Brother Ratul realize that they are made for each other.
How will this miracle take place? Does Mithai the genius have a special formula?
You shouldn't make fun of everything. Don't you see how stressed they are? You can't provide any solution. You always make fun of marriage.
It's not his mistake. Now Ratul has turned his marriage into a joke. And Siddharth doesn't believe in marriage.
No. Brother Ratul is not joking. Mithai is right. They aren't able to understand the relationship they share. We must make them realize this fact by any means. Think of a plan. Think of a plan.
We must plan something.
Plan. We call it as plan. Listen, if you make any silly plans, the matter will become worse. Grandpa and grandma will get a big shock if they find out.
What? Do I always make stupid plans? Okay then, let me see if you can plan something. You can't do that. This isn't buying fish with the help of the internet.
Does anybody in this family have any idea about what I'm capable of?
Siddharth, what are you trying to say? I just don't get it. Look, brother, we want to ensure that Shri and Ratul's marriage works. You don't believe in marriage. Will you still help us save their marriage? I'm completely confused.
What's all the confusion for? Why are all of you in Brother Sid's room? The biryani is ready.
Hey, this is not only Sid's room, but it is Mithai's room as well. Please sit quietly. We are discussing something important here. It is about Ratul and Shri's marriage. Hey Sid, what were you saying?
I'll conduct a research and plan everything step by step.
Research? Research for what? Will you conduct a research to save the marriage?
Why? I mean, we need to conduct research to save a marriage, right? I mean, marriage is also a project. First of all, we must find out if we need to save Shri and Ratul's marriage or not. Nipa has become a constant factor in their marriage. We need to solve that too, right? Look, we need to make a step-by-step plan. Let me make one thing clear to all of you, okay? All of you need to be extra efficient if you want to work with Siddharth Modak's team.
Where did all of them go? Look there. All of you've gathered here, and the food is getting cold.
Aunt, actually, we were planning a project. You do one thing, you go downstairs and enjoy the biryani. I'll talk to all of you tomorrow.
What happened? What has happened here?
Aunt Opa, nothing
Yes. Oh.
has happened. You won't understand. Siddharth can never plan anything. Let's go and have
Yes,
the biryani.
let's go. What happened?
There wouldn't have been any complication if we could do everything with a laptop. Aunt Opa, let's go, come on.
Rajiv? What has happened? Tell me. I guess you are planning some secret mission. What's this mission?
Mom, darling, you know what? You are fortunate that you've got a simple, middle class, and ordinary son in law. I can see what the new generation is up to. I'm not lying. Even a person like me is getting confused. Just forget it. Let's enjoy the biryani first and then we'll think of the rest. Ganda, let's go. Sandy, let's
Okay,
go.
let's go.
Mithai, join us.
Yes,
Come on, come on.
Yes.
They are making fun of Siddharth Modak's planning and execution, is it? I'll prove that Siddharth Modak has never failed in any project he has taken up.